Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beautify Your Place. Today's video, let's see how to make groundnut chutney and fried ground chutney. This goes well with dosa, idli, chapati, rice and also with upma and poha. Within 2 minutes, let's see how to make this. Over to my video.
I took half kg groundnut and dry roasting this in low flame. The ingredients needed for this is salt, chili powder, jeera, curry leaves and garlic. Once the groundnuts are very crunchy and got some black spots on top of that, it is ready. We put all other ingredients into mixie jar and make a fine powder. After grinding, if you find the spice or salt is less, you can add on top of that and mix well together. Now the groundnut powder is ready. Now let's see how to make fried gram chutney. The ingredients here are salt, chili powder, jeera, curry leaves and extra ingredients here is jaggery, tamarind and dry coconut slice and fried gram. In this preparation we don't roast fried gram. First we take curry leaves, jeera and dry coconut. We grind this into fine powder. Once this is ready, we will add the remaining ingredients like garlic, chili powder, salt, tamarind and make it a fine powder. Once this is ready, later we add this fried gram. So once it is ready, it looks like a powder. This goes well on dosas, idlis and we can store this like 15 to 20 days without refrigerator. I hope you like this. Bye bye.